Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Last week was my birthday and my husband got me the most amazing gift ever that I have been wanting for a while now, and that is the new Dyson Airwrap. Now this product came out late of last year, and when those commercials came out, I was completely wowed by it. I thought it would be the miracle to all of my hairstyling needs. However, it's quite a pricey item, and that's what got me very hesitant to even purchase it to begin with. But needless to say, even though I was quite hesitant, this product sold out within days, and it has been sold out for quite a few months, so I don't even know how my husband even found it for me. Now, a lot of reviews on YouTube have really been hitting this product hard with negativity. People have not been liking this product, have been saying this product is a total fail, and it's so pricey for what it is. It should be a miracle worker, and it's not. And that kind of made me a little bit happy because I couldn't get this product anyway, so if it wasn't that good, then I'm so glad that I didn't spend my money on it.
Yeah, right.
Other than that, I feel like my husband does know me quite well. Even with all of the negative reviews, he did know that deep down I did want this product, and if I could get my hands on it, I would totally do so. Now, I feel like a lot of the negativity that are surrounding this product is because a lot of the people that have been putting out these reviews are doing a first impression on this product. Now, because this product is very new, it's a very new way to kind of style your hair, I feel like it does have a learning curve to it, but once you achieve that, it really is an amazing product. Now, let me just give you a little review on what's inside this box. It obviously comes in a very beautiful, nice, brown looking chic box. Now, when you open the box, it comes with a few instructions here. And then inside you have a nice leather mat so that you can put your hairdryer on. And of course, it's the beautiful hairdryer itself. And then it comes with a little mini hairdryer because with this product you do need to use it on damp hair. So it's very nice that they added a little hairdryer so that you can dry your hair just a little bit. It comes with two round brushes to curl your hair, a smaller and a larger one, and of course one for your right side and the other for your left side of your hair, because anytime you want to curl your hair, you always want to curl your hair away from your face. Now, if you get the complete kit like this one, it comes with two flat brushes, one for thicker style hair and also one for thinner style hair as well. And then of course it comes with a round barrel. This one is very good for someone like me that has bangs. You can even use it to kind of curl the bottom side of your hair. But it's a really, really great product and tool to have. When you open the box itself, at the bottom it comes with a small tool to clean out your filter. Now, if you want to see how I use the Dyson Airwrap to curl my hair, please continue watching. I started off with damp hair. I just took a shower and I used the small hair dryer that comes in the kit just to kind of dry off the top and just a little bit at the bottom. And I also used the roller to go ahead and dry off my bangs. I'm going to start off by putting a little bit of a wave spray. This one is by Way. It smells absolutely amazing. And what it does is it wets the ends just a little bit more, and it also will help the curl hold just a little bit better. Because I have so much hair, the way I usually curl my hair is I just have it on towards my face, and then as I curl, I kind of throw that curl in the back, and then progressively I get towards my face and it'll be all done. Usually I find that's the easiest way to curl my hair. Now I'm going to start on the right side of my hair. I just have a small piece, and I have both the high heat setting as well as the higher air setting, and we're just going to start off. Gonna leave it there for a few seconds, let that hair dry. Then I'm gonna use the cool burst. I'm just pressing up on that just to set that curl. Turn it off, and then let that curl go. And how amazing does that look? Now just for comparison, I really want to try the smaller barrel and see what kind of curl it gives. This again. You can see it gives a much tighter curl in comparison to the bigger one. What I love about this is it doesn't require much guidance at all. You just basically turn it on and it guides your hair for you. Okay, so that is half of my hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the other half off camera, and I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Now you can definitely put some hairspray, especially as you're curling your hair. You can spray your hair with some hairspray and that'll help keep the wave kind of hold on for longer. Most people usually do that anyway, even with a regular curling iron. I like this wavy type of look. I like my waves to kind of settle down throughout the day. I do like that kind of beachy type of wavy look, so I don't mind it at all that it does settle down. Now, after using this product for about a week, I have to say I do love it. I don't really know why there's so much negativity around and surrounding this product, but perhaps it's because a lot of people tried it out as a first impression without really giving the product a chance and for them a chance to actually learn how to use it. What I also love this product for is on mornings where I have to run to work really early and I don't necessarily care about curling my hair and making it wavy. I just want to look put together. I love using the flat brush. I kind of just turn it on and just swipe it through my hair and it really honestly looks like I just blow dried my hair and it doesn't even take that long whatsoever. So I certainly do appreciate this product for that. Other than that, I really don't think this hairstyling tool is for everyone. If you have really straight hair and just really fine hair, I don't feel like you're going to get much use out of this tool, especially with the price that it's at. I feel like kind of curling your hair with it, it's not going to last that long at all. Even with hairspray, you do need to have that kind of curling iron with that extreme heat to curl your hair. Now, if you have hair like me that's wavy, a little bit more on the thicker end, then I do truly feel that this product is definitely for you. And for price-wise, I do know that it's pretty pricey, but if you think about it, if you get these tools separately from a higher end brand that's really good quality, then you're basically going to be paying that much anyway. If you guys enjoyed watching this review, please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like button if you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next week.